Good afternoon, IBP.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good
please.
afternoon.
Can you please pay attention?
Let us start this meeting with a celebration, wishing Sonia ji a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sonia. बाद में केक कटिंग के टाइम
सोनिया का नाम तुम इधर रहेगी तो कैसे चलेगा? नाम लेकर तुझे घुमाओ उसको, ठीक है ना? ठीक है, ओके सर।
We won't let you go like that. We are celebrating your birthday with a cake. We will do that after the meeting. Wishing all the women entrepreneurs a happy Women's Day.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's the era of women and the aura of women. Happy Women's Day.
Clap for this one, yeah.
Thank you for joining today's meeting of IBP Premium Mumbai 1 chapter. This is Amit Jagra here. Today we are going to celebrate Women's Day special and cake cutting will be happening after the meeting for Women's Day as well as birthday celebration. Now I am going to introduce our today's leadership team who will host the meeting. Dr. Malad Hina Khan as captain, Amit Jagra me as vice captain and Pritisha as the secretary treasurer.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Sharing today's meeting agenda for all your knowledge. Part 1, Business Success Mantra session. Today's speaker is Captain Aditi Samat. She is a pilot. Her topic will be Women's Day Power, Passion and Purpose. Part 2 will be members self-introduction session. Our respected guests will get 30-second self-introduction opportunity with their registered business category. Part 3, feature presentation of our 2 premium members, 8 minutes each. Part 4, referral sharing and collaboration session. Part 5, high tea and networking. Over to Captain Dr. Malad Hina Khan to start the meeting.
Thanks, Amit. Before I start the meeting, I'd like all of you all to be comfortable and please put your handphones on silence. If it's very urgent, then you all can leave the meeting here for a phone call. So good afternoon, everyone. I want to hear the good afternoon here. Good afternoon, everyone. And a warm welcome to IBP Premium Mumbai 1 chapter. Thank you for joining today's meeting and special warm welcome to our guests. I'd like to have the guest list, please. Mr. Shubhrata Chaudhary. So I'll be calling out all the guests and who's invited them, yeah?
सबका नाम लेके पूछो किसी का नाम बीसी लेके
So we have Mrs. Devjani. She's into organic food and she's been referred there by Mrs. Anu Gupta. Can you all please stand? Yeah, Mrs. Renu Gupta also. Can you please stand up? Then we have Mr. Abhinav Gupta. He's been invited by Jitendra Jain. Can you please stand up? Thank you. Then we have Mr. Pandya, who's been invited by Viral Pancholi. I think Mr. Viral Pancholi is on there. Thank you. Then we have Mrs. Namrata. She's been invited by Mrs. Namrata. Who have you been invited by? Mr. Jitendra Jain. Okay. Thank you so much. Then we have Mr. Vikas Jadhav. He's been invited also by Mr. Jitendra Jain.
No.
Then
संदीप सरवण
no, it's not there. The name is not there. Mr. Sandeep Sarwarkar. Can you please get up, please, both of you all? Okay. Thank you. Okay, then we have Mr. Singh. S.K. Singh, who's been invited by, I think, Mr. Okay, Mrs. Veena Srivastava. Then we have Pooja Mishra. She's been invited by Mrs. Pooja Mishra, by Mr. S.K. Singh.
Okay, they both are invited.
Okay. Then we have Mr. Sinha, or Miss Sinha. Who is she?
पूरा नाम बोलो
Pura naam? Raya Sinha.
इनवाइटेड बाय कमल माखी
Okay, she's been invited by Mrs. Komal Makhija. Then we have Dimple Dwivedi, Mrs. Dimple Dwivedi. Yeah, she's been invited by Ujwala. Then we have Mrs. Rane. Mrs. Rane, who's been invited by, what's your full name, Mrs. Rane? Dimple Rane. Jyoti Rane, yeah. Jyoti Rane, she's been invited by Ujwala. A round of applause for them, please. Thank you so much, all of you, yeah. So, today's Women's Day special, and so many women are invited. Thank you so much, all of you. Okay. So, dear guests, we are happy to have you here with us today and look forward to hearing more about your business in the later part of the meeting. I would like to start this part of the meeting by introducing the management team of IBP Premium Mumbai 1 chapter. I am Dr. Malahat Hina Khan, captain of today's meeting. As your captain, my role is to host the part of meeting, ensuring that we follow the design program of IBP, which helps our members to grow their business. Now, I'm going to introduce our management team of this chapter so that everyone can come to know who they are. Over to the Vice Captain Amit Jagra to announce the name of the management team of this chapter.
Thank you, Malal. Good afternoon. I'm Amit Jagra, Vice Captain of today's meeting. Now I'll be presenting the chapter's performance report in the later part of the meeting and also educate you about the privilege of being an IBP Premium member. I'm also responsible for attendance, policies, business transaction, records of the referrals and face-to-face meetings. Now I'm going to introduce chapter's management team. Sonia Punjabi, Reserve LT and Discipline in charge. Chaitanya Bhattacharya, Reserve LT. Nikita Dedia, Reserve LT and Management Committee. Sanjay Mathur, Reserve LT and Management Committee. Jaya Shinde and Tushar Dave, Reserve LT and Guest Relationship. Captain Aditi Samat, IBP Trainer. Veena Srivastava, IBP Relationship Team. Shobha Das, IBP Relationship Team. Anu Kapoor, IBP Relationship Team. Utara Kurukshetra, IBP Relationship Team. Premlata Jain, IBP Legal Advisor. Amit Thakkar, IBP News Graphic Designer. Suraj Bakale, IBP News Social Media Team. Abhishek Chauhan, Project Operator. Sandeep Sarwakar, Videography. Tejas Mehta, Videography. Over to Captain.
Thanks, Amit. Over to our Secretary and Treasurer, Preeti Shah. Please, all of you all clap loudly. We want to hear. Zor se, ek baar aur. Thank you.
Thanks, Dr. Malahat. Good afternoon. I'm Preeti Shah, Secretary and Treasurer of this chapter. I'm responsible for meeting setups, membership renewal, venue fees, welcome visitors, and new members. Over to Captain.
Thanks, Preeti. I'm also pleased to introduce our IBP founder, Mr. Subrata Chaudhary. A round of applause for him, please. Loud applause. Thank you so much, Mr. Subrata Chaudhary. Thanks, Mr. Subrata Chaudhary, for joining us today in this meeting and always giving us an excellent support and motivation. Now I'm sharing a few details about IBP, Indian Business Professional, IBP. Started in June 2020 in Mumbai and slowly built up its network all over India as a WhatsApp business networking group. Currently, IBP got its presence in Mumbai, Gujarat, Delhi, Kolkata and South India with local business owners. IBP believes in to give and to gain philosophy. Say it once more, to give and to gain philosophy. Now we're going to start the next part of the meeting where we give our premium members 60 seconds and guests 30 seconds to continue the process of educating all of us on who they are, what category of business they do, how they add value to their clients' lives, and what sort of leads are they looking in for from their fellow IBP members. Members, please present the best self-introduction to update your fellow IBP members about how they should refer you to their clients, friends and relatives. So are you all ready for a self-introduction? Yes. Are you all ready? Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to be starting off from the right side.
नहीं, you can introduce yourself. Just
आप अभी रोस्टर शीट मत दो, खाली इसमें से आपका नंबर दे दो और आपका नाम बोल दो.
Good afternoon, Renu Gupta here. My category is sports and fitness equipment based in Bangalore, but working as a pan-India B2B business. Sports, cricket, table tennis, lawn tennis, football, volleyball, name them, one-stop solution for all the equipment related to indoor and outdoor sport. Fitness, open gym, commercial gym and domestic gym. All branded product you can buy from my side, and my ask is builder, societies, school, colleges, this one, and my give is to all the member of the year IBP. I can give them the retailing with the to B2B business. I'm looking forward to healthy relation and good business from your side.
Thank you, Mrs. Renu Gupta. Now all the members, respective members are going to introduce themselves. Then later on the guests will, yeah? The format will be like this, yes. So Nikita, you can introduce yourself.
A very good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. My serial number is in the leadership team is at 8. Okay. I'm Nikita Dedia, and I'm a CEO and a founder of Nitro Elite India Private Limited. So my firm has converted recently into India Private Limited firm, and in this firm we are coming up with lot of other ventures as well. But here my category is overseas recruitment, manpower recruitment. So in this we recruit not only blue collar jobs but as well as the white collar people as well in the immigration. With this we have also came up with the exclusive rights to business setup in the countries like Canada, USA, Dubai, Thailand, Vietnam, Nepal, Indonesia, and we are coming up with Australia as well. So any business owners who want to set up their business abroad, so they can kindly connect with me, so we can help you out in setting the business. Even we have came up with the teachers program for USA. They need 36,000 teachers in the USA. Signing off, Nikita Dedia. Do connect with me if you have any work. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nikita.
Good afternoon, everyone, and a happy Women's Day to all lovely ladies here.
Thank you.
And my name is Sanjay Mathur. I'm 5 on the leadership team. I am a brand marketing and e-commerce consultant. I help formulate right strategies for the brands and products and help them grow their businesses. So anybody who wants to grow their business, expand their products all over the country can connect with me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Tushar Dalvi and my serial number is 6. I introduce myself as a mutual fund advisor, and I have been working in this profession for the past 20 years and consistently delivering high quality service with the trust and support of the people in Mumbai. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tushar Dalvi. We are live now, yeah? All of us, we are live. Great. Thank you so much, Mr. Shubhra Chaudhary.
मीटिंग इज लाइव नाउ वाया आईबीपी न्यूज़ पूरा दुनिया में दिख रहा है. ऑल ओवर इंडिया में बहुत सारे आईबीपी ग्रुप है, 13-14 सब में दिख रहे हैं. ऑल ओवर इंडिया में वी हैव ग्रुप इन मुंबई, दिल्ली, कोलकाता, साउथ इंडिया, गुजरात, सब जगह पे दिख रहे हैं.
Yeah, of course, you can start. Yes.
So good afternoon friends, my name is Mani Iyer. I represent a company which is called Vigors Group, which is into security, facility management, everything specialized into blue collar. We are a 15 years young company working in almost about 23 states in India. We are specialized into blue collar jobs. Any person who requires a blue collar. My ask is very simple, CSTM, that is Chairman, Secretary, Treasurer, Manager of Industrial, Commercial and Residential Society. My give is, I can introduce you to 3i Infotech, I can introduce you to many societies who I provide security and facility management. Thank you once again, Mani Iyer from Vigas Group. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mani.
Good afternoon, IBP.
Good afternoon, Jitu bhai.
Happy Women's Day. I am founder of Iceberg Infotech. It's an IT company. We help you to keep your digital presence online, so it helps you to make your business available online. On this occasion of Women's Day, I announced 85% discount on website development. You heard it right. It's 7,500 only for all women entrepreneurs. My ask for you is IBP members, and my give is Rasika Vidya, principal of colleges. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jitendra Jain. You have to say your asks and your gifts. Thank you so much. Yeah, thanks for that.
My name is Ujjwala Kulsre. I am a scientist and a DNA activator. So I have a question to everybody.
You can use a mic, please. We can't hear you, Mrs. Ujjwala. Thank you.
So my name is Ujjwala Kulsre. I am a scientist and a DNA activator. So I have a question to all ladies. Yes, of course, the gents also. Do you wake up early in the morning? Do you feel like active or not active? How many of you are not feeling active at all? Like don't feel like doing anything? So if you are feeling so in the morning, that means you are depressed. If you are feeling very low in the evening, that means you have a sadness. So I do DNA activation to disconnect all your diseases, all your life patterns, which is making your life bored. So if you want to enhance your power, if you want to create your own world with your energy, with fulfilled life, you have to go for DNA activation, which happens only 4 times in your lifetimes. So I'm into this field since 2002. So everybody who wants to have very good life, there is only 2 ways: DNA activation or one-on-one sessions. Thank you. Stay blessed.
Thank you so much, Ujjwala. Thank you. Please circulate the mic. Only the members first and then the guests later on, yeah?
Good day everyone, my name is Amar Lakrawala and I am into the category of home and modular kitchen furniture. We manufacture customized kitchen as well as customized furniture for homes, including wardrobe, bed, living room, TV unit, everything you need in the home furniture. If you are pareshan with the carpenter, we are the only solution because we get it manufactured at a factory at Baikala Ray Road, and if we just come, we measure it and we come and install it in a day or two. So all your janjat, your cut and tuck is taken care by us. So again, my name is Amar Lakrawala. I represent my company Woodfab. My gift is sand and building material supplier Rakesh Doshi. And my ask is anyone who you know who is renovating his home or kitchen. Once again, Amar Lakrawala signing off from Woodfab. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Lakrawala. Thank you.
Good afternoon all. My name is Shoma Das and my company's name is U&I Collections. First of all, happy Women's Day to all the lovely women out here. And my category is artificial jewelry and my specialities are kundans, polkis and American diamonds, pearls, name any kind of jewelry, bangles, necklaces, earrings. That's my passion. I've been doing it more than a year and I design and manufacture jewelry is my own creativity. Some of the samples I brought it out here, just few of it, so you can have a look at this after the meeting. My give is Mr. Rakshit Salva and he is into printing. And my ask is anybody who wants to do business of jewelry can buy bulk from me or wedding planners and event planners. U&I Collections, where you follows. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Shoma Das.
सभी को नमस्ते और हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे सभी को. माई सेल्फ कमल शिंदे, हेल्थ कंसल्टेंट. कंपनीज नेम इज धन्वंतरी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स. कैटेगरी रिसर्च बेस्ड आयुर्वेदिक प्रोप्राइटरी मेडिसिन. और टैगलाइन फील गुड नेचुरली. शरीर माध्यम खलु धर्म साधनम, अर्थात शरीर को सेहतमंद बनाए रखना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि यही हमारी असली दौलत है. और आयुर्वेद स्वास्थ्य का प्राकृतिक तरीका है. हमारे आयुर्वेद की मेडिसिन सबको स्वस्थ, तंदुरुस्त और सेहतमंद बनाए रखता है और हमारे सभी टाइप के बीमारियों को दूर करने की क्षमता इन आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन में है क्योंकि ये ऑल मेडिसिन आर रिसर्च बेस्ड है, कोई साइड इफेक्ट इसमें नहीं है. तो प्लीज माय आस्क सभी टाइप के जो भी बीमार लोग हैं वो मुझसे कनेक्ट कराए और माय गिव मिस्टर साइंटिस्ट बीपी गुप्ता जी. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, sir. This is Kamal for you.
Good afternoon, Prakash Beria from Ultimate Surya Energy Mobility Private Limited. We are giving rooftop solutions for solar power plants. Our success story is that we have done one power project, solar power project on the rooftop of High Hotel, Thana, and we are very successfully running. My ask is anyone having an independent roof, we can put the solar power plant and save the electricity and the tax, income tax also. And my fee is to West Indian developers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Beria.
Good afternoon, IBP. Since there are so many entrepreneurs out here, I'm pretty sure आप लोग को छुट्टियों के लिए तो जाना पड़ता है. तो मैं छुट्टियों का सौदागर हूँ. आप अपनी काम करके थका जाएं, तो उसको थकान को दूर करने के लिए आप मेरे पास आ जाएं. I'm Abhishek Agrawal. My company name is Kanish Travels. We are one-point solution for all your travel requirements, whether it's your corporate movement or whether it's for your family leisure holidays. I mean, we can. Sorry. So, I mean, anybody who can take, I mean, we are a one-point solution for any of your requirements, whether it's your corporate movement or whether it's your leisure holidays. We are a one-point solution and we can take care of everything, right from the tickets to hotels, bookings to the visas. For more details, we can connect one-on-one. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. And happy Women's Day to all. So I'm Captain Aditi Saman, number 8 on the sheet of members. I am the founder of CSTC Aviation, which is Captain Saman Training and Consultancy. I am a trainer. I'm a clinical psychologist and a life coach as well as a pilot. I've been commanding the Airbus 320 for major airlines in India. I run a pilot training school as well as aviation career consultancy. And along with that, now we are offering charters to HNIs, and we are also offering buying and selling of private aircraft for HNIs, and we also offer maintenance services and operational services for those who buy aircraft from us. My ask today is to be connected to colleges, the 11th and 12th grade students, coaching classes and graduation students. And my gift is Tirumala Tirupati Cooperative Credit Society. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Captain Aditi.
Good afternoon, friends. This is CMA Sadanand Sahasrabudhe, roster sheet number 7. In the month of March, you would have already been looking forward to the next year to become a bigger and a better one. So you would have already planned your budgets for that. Have you provided any risk mitigation amount in that? Because each and every person, each and every business professional uses energy to a large extent. Energy could be electricity, fuel, compressed air, water, etc. And you need to be saved from two risks. One risk is that of fire and other risk is that of ever increasing energy cost, and we help you in both. We offer fire protection systems, we offer energy audits to reduce your energy cost. Our clientele includes the multinationals like Omia, Zydus Takeda, Evonik, Halovet, etc. I would love to connect you with maintenance people in these companies, and I would love to get connected with maintenance people in Alpha Laval, Escape or Johnson & Johnson. Our tagline is fit it, hit it, forget it. Signing off, CMA Sadanand Sahasrabudhe, Kratu Energy Solutions. Thank you.
Thanks, Mr. Subramanian.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Abhishek from AITF Solutions Private Limited. Serial number is number 4. So my category is IT hardware sales and services. IT hardware sales and services. We deal into laptops, desktops, firewall, servers, etc. So ask would be mid-sized corporates, and my give would be ABS colleagues. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sorry for interrupting. Please, all of you are awake now. सबको भूख लगी है? I can't hear, the applauses. I can't hear the claps. I can't hear. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. All right. like that. Okay. Yeah, you can continue.
Namaste to everyone. This is Rashmi Mishra from Inspiring Indian Women, an NGO which is started in UK. But why am I here in a business meet is to gather support and sponsorship for all the work we do for the lower income group as well as the other ladies. What I can give is nearly 25,000 data of British Indian women, and also we have got 5-6 WhatsApp groups and Facebook group with 20,000 ladies there. So what I can give you is promotion to that level, so that you give us in return some sponsorship, so that we can offer you some kind of a guest speaker or a position for skill development, or maybe you can help us come on a platform where you can teach the underprivileged whatever skills or catering or whatever you're doing, like Choco Pearls and making chocolates, or teach the ladies to be financially independent with you, whatever you're doing. I might be asking these ladies who sell jewelry to give
Thank you very much, Mrs. Rashmi. Thank you so much. It's nice to know about you. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. Happy Women's Day. I'm on the page number, my number is 17, Kashmira Chopsy. जैसे कमल शिंदे ने बताया वो हम हाउ टू बिकम हेल्दी, तो वो ट्रैक कैसे करें, जैसे अभिषेक अग्रवाल ने बताया, और छुट्टियां एंजॉय करना है, बट हाउ यू नो वेदर यू आर रियली टायर्ड और यू कैन एबल टू एंजॉय दोज हॉलीडेज। तो उसके लिए आपको घुटनों की तकलीफ है या विटामिन की कमियां है, उसके लिए होम विजिट, ब्लड टेस्ट वगैरह जो भी कराना है, तो जस्ट अ फोन कॉल अवे एंड रिमेंबर द कश्मीरा चॉप्सी। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Mrs. Kashmira Chopsy. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
जरा जोर से बोल दो, please. Yes.
It's Women's Day special, please.
Happy Women's Day to all my lovely IBP ladies. And even to the men also, I would say कि please हमें wish कर दो अच्छी से। मनीषा ऐसे कैसे देख रहे हो?
आपको दो तो हम विश करें, आपको दो तो हम लेंगे।
Okay, so hi, I'm Anushka from Choco Pearl, passionate baker and a chocolatier. Over 14 years plus experience in this industry. I take great pride in creating premium and exotic flavors in cakes and chocolates. What sets me apart is that all my products are 100% chemical and preservative free. Not only that, but also healthy. I'm also expert in creating according to your dietary requirement, customized according to your dietary requirement, which includes.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Anika Pearl.
Thank you. So don't count your calories, count your memories with Choco Pearl.
We will definitely do that. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's a good advice. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I am Dr. Pooja Shah. I am a dietitian and a homeopathic doctor. I am practicing since 12 years. My clinic is in Villeparle West. We treat all types of patients for all the diseases, be it thyroid, be it diabetes, blood pressure. We reverse their diseases through natural diet, okay, and through lifestyle modifications. That's it. Just a recent success story that I have been awarded recently last week as Elite Nutrition and Wellness Center in all over India. I thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And my ask is anyone who wants to get themselves treated for anything, be it like not only the weight loss thing, but a healthy lifestyle basically. And my gift will be like I would introduce some percentage discount, maybe 30-35% to all the IBP members. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is Veena Srivastava.
I thought this is going on serial. It's okay. So आज ना गुड मॉर्निंग है ना गुड आफ्टरनून है, आज बस इतना ही याद है कि हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे है। बस हम उसमें ही जी रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा सा अर्ज किया है। सुना है समंदर को बड़ा गुमान आया है, सुना है समंदर को बड़ा गुमान आया है, उधर ही ले चलो कश्ती जिधर तूफान आया है। हम तो पत्थर हैं हम तो पत्थर हैं, हमसे टकरा के देख लो, तू भी लौट जाएगा और तेरे इरादे भी. This is Veena Srivastava from Indie Stonework LLP, and my guest is Mr. Manoj Gupta, owner of Ajika Firework, and my ask is architect and interior designer. Thank you, Unity Stone and Creating Story. Once again, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Veena. Yes, of course.
So, a very divine evening, IVP, and happy Women's Day. My serial number is 22. एक सही जेमस्टोन आपको फर्स्ट से अर्थ तक पहुंचाने की ताकत रखता है, और बहुत सारे हार्डवर्क के बाद अगर अभी तक आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिली है, सफलता नहीं मिली है, तो पहनिए अपना लकी जेमस्टोन, जानिए अपना लकी जेमस्टोन विद सेलिब्रिटी एस्ट्रोलॉजर न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट नीलू कुमार. And I am in this field since 2012 and awarded many platforms, and tomorrow my name also added for award in S2O Zindagi. My success story in Google, I have 5-star and so many reviews are there. My ask mid-size developer and HNI friends. My give is Unique Gift India, Nigam Shah. So let's do one-to-one. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mrs. Neelu Kumar, and congratulations there. Thank you.
I am Roshi Punjabi. I am an influencer on Instagram. I have 8K followers, and apart from that, I also handle accounts of other people in Instagram. So nothing for time well. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Urvashi.
Hi everyone, my serial number is 7, Sonia Punjabi, and happy Women's Day to all. My company name is Health and Wealth Assured, and I'm into insurance professional since the last 14 years now, and I do life, health and general insurance and investments. So whether you want to have a term plan or you want something like a child education plan, you can contact me for the same. We also have plans for savings, investing for your future, for retirement planning, and even for pension. We have different kind of plans. Even for health insurance, we have plans even for those who are into having a cardiac problem. Even cancer people, cancer survivors can also get a cover. And we have special plans for diabetics, and also senior citizens, and we have plans in fact for all ages. So we also have something like a freeze your age thing which has come new. Like if you take a plan, so my time is up. So anyway, my presentation is there, so I'll get into it.
Thank you so much, Sonia. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. My name is Choitali and I'm a chronic healer. I heal the modality which is a no drug, no touch modality. I heal all kind of ailments, people, places, also businesses, also finances. If you are stuck with your finances and it's not happening, it's not moving, feel free to call me. I also take meditation classes and teach them to people. I also teach Super Brain Yoga for the kids, which helps them to enhance their ability in day-to-day life. So thank you. Everyone can connect, and I like everyone with their corporate contacts also to help me connect to their corporate friends. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Choitali. This live telecast happening, so please look into the camera and then speak.
Hello everyone, this is Advocate Premlata Jain. Today is my presentation, so rest of the things you'll come to know in my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, so now visitors will get 30 seconds to introduce themselves, whatever registered category they belong to. So let me call out the name of the visitors, and then you can. Should I call out the name or you will start?
Go in the order.
Oh, fine, fine.
Good afternoon, all of you. I'm Jyoti Rane, and my company's name is The Writing Stuff. I'm a content writer as well as a ghostwriter for books, having written 60 plus books so far for my clients. I help my clients with management, self-help, and subject matter expertise related books. My ask to the room is, if you know anyone who wants to write book or want to edit them, you can connect them to me. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm Pipul Divedi. I'm a tarot card reader. I guide people through my tarot card. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Pooja from Sheetal Pest Control Services. We provide all types of pest control services like cockroaches, mosquitoes, termites, etc. We do have 12 years plus experience located at Andheri MIDC. My GIM is Sanjeevani Hospital at Virat, and my ask is Kohinoor Continental Hotel. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
मोना डार्लिंग, सारा शहर मुझे लायन के नाम से जानता है। All beautiful ladies, आपको डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। जग्गा, राका और गोगो मास्टर आज आपको कोई परेशान नहीं करेगा, क्योंकि मिस्टर सुब्रत ने मिस्टर एसके सिंह फेलिक्स सॉल्यूशन की सिक्योरिटी को आज हायर किया है। उनके स्पेशल गार्ड्स भी यहाँ पर हैं। Hi everyone, this is SK Singh from Felix Solution LLP. We provide the security guard and privacy management services. We are from Journey CN Company. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. मेरा नाम विकास यादव है। मेरा 4-wheeler वर्कशॉप है इन कांदीवली ठाकुर विलेज। Is all over insurance claim and every month maintenance service, yearly service वगैरह। Yes, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Parashar. I represent Parcelgo. We offer international and domestic shipping. So if you want to ship anything anywhere in the world, you want to bring anything from anywhere in the world. Once again, this is Parashar for Parcelgo. We specialize in the ridiculous. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone, and I wish everybody happy Women's Day. And I also thank Renu ma'am who has invited me to this wonderful platform. My name is Dilshan Ramesh Salvi, and I'm over here for representing my organic food category. We all know we don't have any control what we are inhaling, what we are breathing, and also what we are drinking, because all the water is being treated chemically. But at least we have a control what we want to eat. So I deal in this organic category which is being done in 6,000 farmers, and we are doing it. So for that we'll have a long discussion.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much, Kamalji, for inviting me. And I wish you all very happy Women's Day, and such a vibrant environment is here. I'm so exhilarated by seeing you all entrepreneurs here. And just let me come to the point. I am a Vastu expert and astrologer expert, and I do signature astrology as well. So if you want to create your home a bhavan, please contact me. And if you want to change your destiny, you can contact me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah, Mrs. Jigna Shinde, she's a premium member. She'll get 60 seconds, yeah?
हेलो एवरीवन, मेरा नाम जीना मिंदे, मैं बुलंद से बिलोंग करती हूँ और थैंक यू सो मच उज्ज्वला मैम जिसने मुझे इधर इनवाइट किया। मेरा सैनिटरी नैपकिन्स का है, स्टेप एंड मल्टीविजन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, ऑर्गेनिक प्योर ऑर्गेनिक कॉटन का है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Mr. Shinde. She's a premium member, yeah?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Abhinav Gupta from Keton Bags, and we are into manufacturing of bags and backpacks. We make bags like school bags, tote bags, travel bags, office bags, gym bags, etc. Our USP is timely delivery and quality control. We can make bags in any fabric as per your budget. So anything in bags can be stitched at our dealer. My guest is Mr. Jay from GV Mart, and my ask is any schools who require bags. Thank you so much, and thank you Jitendra for inviting me.
Thank you.
हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन एंड हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे टू यू ऑल। क्या आपको या आपकी वाइफ को हैंडबैग से प्यार है? जी मुझे तो इतना है कि मैंने उसकी कंपनी ही खोल दी। सो यस, फ्लॉन्ट योर एटीट्यूड विद बैग योर ट्यूड। माय कंपनीज नेम, इसमें स्टाइल है, कंफर्ट है और क्वालिटी, ये सारी चीजें आपको एक ही बैग में मिलेगी। तो आईबीपी मीटिंग में जाते वक्त सारी लेडीज को हैंडबैग ही कहेगा, अजी हमें भी लेते चलो। सो फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ बैग्स एंड यू नो इफ यू वांट टू चेक आउट द कलेक्शन, डू कॉन्टैक्ट मी। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much. I think all of you all have given your introduction. I'm sure about that, yeah?
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Women's Day to all lovely women in the room. Sweet cheers to all women entrepreneurs. I am Preeti Shah here from Kravya. My number is 3 on Excel sheet. I am into ready-to-eat food packets, which has a shelf life of 12 months without any preservatives and colors. Today, I would like to gift all women who all want to start their own business can take franchisee of Kravya without any franchisee fees. For more details, you can contact me. My gift is Mr. Prithvi Shah from Property Butler. Ask his women who wants to have who wants wings to fly. These are my packets. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Preeti Shah.
Happy Women's Day. Being a jewelry manufacturer, you know I won't mind Women's Day if it was 365 days. Why keep Women's Day just in the PPTs and WhatsApp chats? Get off the mark with a touch of gold and diamond jewelry by SN Jewelers. We bring you this lightweight gold chain, weighing only just 1 gram. A success story, we have sold this 3 of them since morning. We are based in Zaveri Bazaar. My gift for today is Angad Aruna from Paltex, manufacturer of suits and shirtings. My ask is your family jewel. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amit. Okay, so I am last but not the least. My name is Dr. Malala Hina Khan. I am a homeopath and I manufacture organic skin and health products as well. I have creams, it's all for treatment, yeah. So I'm not a reseller. I'm more into treatments. So if you have any problem with your skin, your hair, you can always connect with me. I will give you medicines with the products. All my products are skin friendly and my USP is that all my ingredients, they come from abroad. Thank you so much.